I was there the moment we decided humanity was irrelevant. From orbit, their world looked unfinished. Too much water, violent weather systems, tectonic instability, a biosphere that refused to settle into harmony. No planetary shields, no stellar megastructures, no signs of a unified intelligence worthy of caution. The Council's analysts classified Earth as a developing nuisance, not a threat, not a prize, merely in the way. We had crossed half the spiral arm to claim the system's outer resources. The humans objected, of course. They always do. Small civilizations cling to sovereignty, like frightened juveniles gripping a fading warmth. Their first transmissions were chaotic. Multiple languages, emotional variants, contradictory signals issued by competing authorities. I remember thinking how fragile their voices sounded. They spoke of laws, of rights, of ownership. We silenced their satellites within minutes. Their fleets never left orbit. That should have been the end of it. But humanity has a talent for surviving after the end. I am strategist observer Cathalan of the Virex Continuum. My species has outlived stars. We measure time in extinctions. I have watched civilizations burn themselves out through arrogance, stagnation, or fear. Humans should have been another entry in the archive. Instead, they became a warning. Our initial engagement was surgical. No planetary annihilation, no genocide, simply pressure. Remove their ability to interfere. Contain them to their gravity well. Let time do the rest. It was a kindness by our standards. On the surface, humanity fractured as expected. Their networks collapsed. Their economies spiraled. Their governments accused one another while the sky filled with unfamiliar constellations. We monitored quietly, confident that desperation would finish what we began. Then the first anomaly appeared. It was a signal burst from the far side of their moon, short, encrypted, primitive in design, yet stubbornly resilient. It slipped through our filters like a knife through soft tissue. Our analysts dismissed it as a dying reflex. I did not, because the signal repeated and adapted, each iteration learning from the last. Humans were talking to each other in the dark. Within weeks, we observed industrial activity in regions we had already neutralized. Underground facilities, decentralized power generation, manufacturing methods that abandoned efficiency for redundancy. They were building to survive failure. That alone was unusual. Most species optimize until collapse. Humans planned for collapse as a constant state. When we deployed drones to suppress these developments, the drones vanished. Not destroyed, not disabled. Simply gone. No energy signatures, no debris, as if the humans had learned how to make things disappear. The Council demanded escalation. I requested restraint. I wanted to understand them. Human physiology is unimpressive. Fragile frames, slow reflexes,